Day 1 ECQ. Hello, good morning viewers and YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, the Catherine Piliora. So today is March 30, 2020, and today is the first day of ECQ, or Enhanced Community Quarantine, and I'm going to cook sotanghon bihon for my family for our breakfast. So let's enjoy and watch a simple cooking show that I have created for my vlog. See you for my ingredients and my cooking. Good day again. So here are the ingredients of my sotanghon bihon. Of course, we have a mixture of sotanghon and we call this bihon. So we have bihon there. And of course, this is my vegetable. We have sayote, we have carrots and Chinese pichay and cabbage. So since na nagtitinda kami ng mga gulay, mga vegetables na yan, so yan yung natira. Kaya gagawin natin yung mga sangkap of ingredients. And of course, I am using this is the bell pepper, pidada, bombay or onions, garlic. We have a little of salt. Then I'm putting brown sugar, pepper, black pepper, and of course the oyster sauce. Since hindi ka tayo gagamit ng toyo or patis dahil magkakaroon ng mga UTI yung mga bata, of course I'm going to cook cooking oil. And hindi ako magagamit ng mga chicken, kaya gagamitin ko ay century tuna, solid and vegetable oil. Ito yung gagamitin ko. Nasa labas ako ngayon dahil ang init. And of course, I'm going to start now my cooking. Welcome again to the cooking proper. So, we're going to saute now. Okay, so approximately we have 1 teaspoon of cooking oil.
Energy.
Ate, paano ko nakatapos? Ano niya? So, meron na tayong mantika ngayon. Alright, so we're going to start now by sauteing, of course, garlic. And we have onion. So, magtitira tayo dahil magigisa muna tayo na...
Inday mugtaw na, Inday!
Sabad, ah. Okay, so mayroon na yung sibuyas at bombay or onion, and then we're going to add now our vegetable. Okay, so yung vegetable, igisa muna natin. I'm going to saute lang this one para gagamitin natin. We're going to set aside the vegetable after sauteing. Okay.
Lato na.
La pa. Okay, we're going to wait for my vegetable to cook for a while. And then we're going to saute again for our bihon. Oh. So, I'm cooking the vegetable now. So, hahayaan muna natin mga mag-simmer o maluto yung mga vegetable na yan. And then, we're going to set aside afterwards. So, pag niluto na, so mga half-cook lang. And then, we will set aside this one. Para we're going to cook now for our bihon. Okay. Okay, so magigisa na tayo ng onion. Ahos, pepper. Sige lang jaraw.
Godbless lao.
Lagyan natin ng century tuna. Okay, sigisahin natin muna yung century tuna chunk. Lagyan ng kunting asin, kunting pepper, oops! Ang daming ano dyan? Star apple. And then we're going to add our bihon. And put some water. So, ang water na nilagay ko ay 2 cups of water. Tsaka, let's wait to simmer yung bihon para maluto siya. Kaya masarap tong century tuna na to, kaya tatry ko. Kasi wala ka masyadong mabilhan ngayon ng manok sa baboy or yung antay ng manok. Yun yung ginagamit ko. Pero for now, I'm going to use the fish. Kaya itatry natin sa mga bata kung gusto nila. Natin ito pag malapit ang maluto yung bihon. Okay. So, alright. So, I'm cooking now for my breakfast. And it's almost cooked now. So, I added some pancit canton. This is chili mansi flavor. To add flavor to our bihon. So, ang tawag na dito ay bami. With pancit na. Okay. So, we are waiting for the bihon to cook. And we're going to add now our vegetable later. So, this is very yummy. Okay. Almost cooked now. Sabi ng anak ko, dapat energy. Oh, energy na yan, tuto ha. Energy while cooking. Kasi kakain na kayo for the first day of home quarantine community. Enhanced community quarantine, o ACQ. Marami bang tao sa market ga? Walang masyadong tao.
Wala masyado.
Okay, so I'm
Kuntoy.
going to add now our vegetable because we are waiting to eat now. So, here are the vegetables.
Kunting tao, pero maraming tambay.
Marami pang
Walang
tambay?
karantin.
May tambay pa sa market.
Oo.
Ayan naman, yung mga tao matitigas yung ulo. Kaya dito na nagkukonsyaw na ako. Ang init. So, we're going to add now sugar, brown sugar, to give us more flavor for our bihon. And mix there. So, if you have noticed, ang vegetable natin ay crispy lang yan. So, parang half cook lang para pang restaurant na luto. Okay, and I'm going to add now Mamasitas. This is not sponsored. Oyster sauce. Pampalasa. And ready na to. Just mix everything and we're good now. Okay. So, masarap ang ulam namin ngayon. Pwede na tong breakfast tsaka lunch. Panyahaw ang tawag sa amin. Panyahaw. Panyaga at pamahaw. Breakfast and lunch.
Brunch.
Brunch. Pag sa Tagalog. English pala. Okay. And ito na yung lutong bihon. Bihon and sotanghon. So we're going to have our breakfast now. Okay, happy eating everyone for the enhanced community quarantine first day. God bless everyone. Ang masarap na bihon with fried garlic. Ubos na. Masarapan yung aking pamilya sa niluto ko. Congratulations to me. Enjoy eating. And we are now having our breakfast. So, enjoy eating, guys. God bless everyone. Enhanced Community Quarantine Day 1. So, God bless. Be a blessing and a channel of blessing to everyone. Bye!